Hello everyone, Akash here. If you're personally using Neo Hair Lotion, few things you should know about this product and clarify because personally definitely it helped me. Last few months I've been using this and definitely helped me. But the red onion that I've been using for the last 3 weeks, and personally this is really helpful combination with the Neo Hair Lotion and the red onion. So if you're currently using Neo Hair Lotion, many comments you would see in my channel that is really helping them with their hair, regrowing hair, but they worried when they're gonna stop using Neo Hair Lotion. Do they gonna lose their hair? Or they could do something about it. So when they recover all their hair, what they can do to keep their hair healthy and thicker and fuller. So this video I'm gonna go detailed, especially if you lost 50% of less of your hair, how combination of Neo Hair Lotion and the red onion could help you together to like get your hair back. And personally definitely I'm seeing the result myself just using few months. And also if you lost more than 50% of your hair, there is a product that you have to use with this too, how they're gonna hold on to their hair. The reason I tell you, you always want to use a hair oil. Even your hair is perfectly fine, nothing wrong with your hair, but still it's good to use some kind of good hair oil every week or every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. Even your hair is perfect. This way you give all your hair all the nutrition and everything. The reason I'm talking about the red onion oil, this is 100% organic oil. It has a 4 different organic oil mix in it. It has a black seed onion oil, it has an argan oil, it has a sandalwood oil, it has rose oil. So it has a 4 different 100% pure organic oil. The bottle is pretty big. The reason I'm saying, if you're using the Neo Hair Lotion and you're seeing your hair growing, then you use this 3 times every night, like every other day you could use it, like 3 times a week. I would recommend to use it if you're just beginning to use it. By the way, this product is only available through my link. If you buy it through my link, it's only you could find in the USA, but if you're outside of USA, just Google it. I'll put the link in the description box. Just Google it. If you find it, definitely get the exact this one, because this one 100% safe organic one. So if you're in a different country than USA, but if you're in the USA, you could always find it in the link and you could buy it through there. But if you, in case whichever country you are and you cannot find this, then there's a home remedy that I personally made it. Like when I first started losing hair, I made it with the onion, lemon, and few other things. And you could find that video is in my channel, and all hair growth products, you could go in that and it is there, so you could find it there, and you could look at the detailed video of that onion home remedy, how could you make it, and you could make that exact way and you could use it. That good for like 14 days. If you keep it in the fridge, it's good for 14 days. You could use it, and definitely that it's not going to be as good at this, but that should help you the blood flow. The reason I have so many other not onion oil, regular oil, that I have it and I used it and I love it. But reason I'm saying this one, because this one, the red onion, is really pump up the blood flow on your skull, because remember, some people use derma roller. If you see the review for my derma roller video, only reason you're using derma roller to blood flow on your skull, and red onion really do that for you. So basically you're giving the Neo Hair Lotion all the boost you need, and you're getting all the blood flow you need on your hair at the same time. So this is why I'm saying don't use it every day. Use it every other day, overnight, and in the morning when you wake up, you just wash it out, then you use the Neo Lotion. Don't mix it up. Don't mix up product. Every time when you're gonna use it, you think about it. Okay, I'm gonna use this now. I'm gonna wake up in the morning, or whenever I use it, I'm gonna wash it off, then I'm gonna use the Neo Hair Lotion. So this, you just make up your schedule how you wanted to do it and follow it that, and you're gonna see a significant difference. Not only your hair grow fast, and you're gonna see a significant difference. It's gonna get thicker and fuller. So basically, I would say personally, I lost less than 50% of my hair, and it worked really well for me, this too. So that's why I'm saying just get this also with it. So combination of both gonna really help you with it. And again, if you lost more than 50% of your hair, okay, few people I see comment, I always check my comments on my channel, they lost more than 50% of your hair. See, nothing is guaranteed, okay? Every time when I buy a product and I try on myself, I'm not sure that's gonna work for me or not, but I want to give it a try. I want to try to get as less chemical in it possible, and make sure I try it for a few weeks, and if it's working for me, then I'll definitely review it. Or personally I feel good, what, I got something, but many times I get something, it doesn't work, so then I would not even worth take my time to review that product. It's not worth it. So this is why I'm telling you, it doesn't matter if something is not working for you. It doesn't mean that nothing out there that's not gonna work for you. There's always something gonna work for you. So if you lost 50% of your hair, I did made a detailed video about this. This is by far so many Emmanuel women, especially women, they have such a good result with this folly growth. It made in California. It's a gluten free, is a cruelty free. It has a 28 different vegetarian vitamin in it, all natural in it. And this is a little bit expensive. That's why I always don't recommend people, because this is quite expensive compared to Neo Hair Lotion or that. But if you lost more than 50% of your hair, and also maybe probably like maybe stress level is really high, or maybe you're not eating on time, or maybe some other reason that you're not getting all the nutrition you need in your body, you're not getting it. So this is why I would recommend this if you lost more than 50% of your hair, because Neo Hair Lotion could help you regrow your hair. And maybe the red onion gonna give you the boost you need on your hair. But end of the day, if your body don't have enough nutrition and you're not eating healthy and taking care of yourself, you're gonna lose hair no matter what. So this is why I'm telling you, if you lost more than 50%, get the folly growth. It has a 28 different vitamins. It made in California, USA, FDA approved, and this was 16 years clinically, they studied this. After that they made it. This is why it's maybe expensive, but this is something you could rely on in case like every day you're so busy, you're not getting enough nutrition, or not eating as much healthy. You're thinking maybe you're eating but you're not, then definitely should help you. But again, if you lost less than 50% of your hair, like personally I benefited from Neo Hair Lotion, and I got this and I'm really loving this product. And this is pretty big enough for women too, so like I think one bottle should last you a long time. If you're a man, get a small hair like this, and this is gonna last you a long time. But remember one thing, if you're gonna use this and you see your hair recovered, then you could stop using the Neo Hair Lotion. That's fine, but you gotta continue using this because this is organic, has no side effect, nothing. But this one, once you recover all your hair, then you're worrying about losing your hair again. You use this once a week, just use once a week, and just overnight, just use it once a week. Then you're thinking you're less and less hair fall, you're saying, then you could use every 2 weeks. You could just once, just keep it going, just completely don't stop it, because once you lose your hair, it's really hard to get it back. So it's better that you do it and just continue with something natural and organic to keep it going. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please consider check out my new channel, and a lot of great videos you'll find on that channel, and consider subscribing that. Thank you so much. Again, if you have any question, you could always ask me. Best of my knowledge, personally, I will